Hi everyone, my name is Tatiana. I'm from Spotahome.com, London. Today I'm in Canary Wharf and I will show you around this lovely flat which is in the heart of Canary Wharf. Let's go and check it out. So this 3-bedroom property is located on the 5th floor and here are the bedrooms. So this is one of the bedrooms which has ensuite bathroom, and plus there is one more shared bathroom in this property. This is the ensuite bathroom. And this property benefits from fantastic views on the river and this beautiful balcony which is overlooking the stunning views of the Thames. Now I will show you towards the second bedroom. The second bedroom, which currently would be available, is this one. It is a good size double bedroom with double bed. A very good amount of storage, so as you can see, a lot of wardrobes which are built in. It has a desk as well, and this adorable round window which has amazing views. Now I will show you the bathroom. The bathroom is this, which has a big bathtub and toilet and a sink. The third bedroom is this one, and it has very big windows, so all rooms have a lot of natural light. They are very bright and they're very spacious. So as you can see, this room is has a double bed and a sofa in the corner, dining table with 3 chairs, sorry, and the views are amazing. Now I will show you towards the kitchen. The kitchen is just here. It has all the modern appliances and has a dishwasher, it has a washing machine, it has the washing machine has a dryer as well. It has fridge, freezer, induction hob and oven, so all the facilities are here. It's really nice. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a really beautiful flat. It has a lot of natural light. It is very spacious. It's a beautiful place. I hope you liked it. Best wishes from London.